Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into something that's been making waves in Zimbabwe recently. It's a story that highlights the stark contrast between opulence and necessity. So, let's get into it. Zimbabwe is gearing up to host the 44th SADC Heads of State and Government Summit next month. And to make a grand impression, they're building 12 luxurious villas to accommodate high-level delegates. According to Nick Mangwana's recent post, the construction of these villas is almost complete, with materials for the remaining 6 expected to arrive soon. Now let's put this into perspective. While these villas are being built at a rapid pace, Zimbabwe's healthcare system is in shambles. Hospitals are struggling with a severe lack of equipment and medicine. It's a dire situation that many ordinary Zimbabweans face daily. Just think about it. Millions are being poured into these villas to impress foreign dignitaries, while patients in hospitals are left without basic medical supplies. The discrepancy is glaring and raises a lot of questions about the priorities of the government. Let's take a step back. The government's ability to mobilize resources for these villas shows that they have the potential to do great things. But why is this potential only realized when there's an international spotlight on the country? Why isn't the same urgency applied to improving healthcare or other essential services? President Mnangagwa recently urged Zimbabweans, especially motorists, to be patient amid the construction frenzy. But patience is wearing thin. The lavish spending on these villas stands in stark contrast to the daily struggles of Zimbabweans. It's a reminder of the growing divide between the rich and the poor. The timing of this development is also interesting. As the 44th SADC summit approaches, the government is keen to present a polished image to the world. But at what cost? The resources allocated for these villas could have been used to address pressing issues like healthcare. The situation is reminiscent of the story of Emperor Nero, who allegedly played the fiddle while Rome burned. In Zimbabwe, the government is building palatial villas while the healthcare system crumbles. It's a sad reflection of misplaced priorities, so where do we go from here? It's crucial for the government to take a hard look at its priorities. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better. They deserve a government that invests in their well-being, not just in grand gestures for international visitors. As we move forward, let's keep the conversation going. Let's hold those in power accountable for their actions. And most importantly, let's amplify the voices of ordinary Zimbabweans who are demanding better healthcare, better services, and a better future. That's it for today's video. If you found this discussion informative, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay informed, stay engaged.